If you're watching this video, chances are you're facing challenges with your weight. You're probably very frustrated because traditional dieting is just not working for you. If you stay tuned, I will tell you why it doesn't work and I will tell you how to fix it. Before we jump in, welcome to anybody new to the channel and thank you to everyone that is already subscribed. The reason why this isn't working for you is because you have no foundation to work from, you have no consistent intake. When you try and diet, you have nothing to subtract from. You'll find yourself maybe eating more some days, eating less some days, but it's always either really high or really low. It's never right in the middle, so it's never ever a consistent test from a Monday to Sunday. I would like to introduce you to 3 phases of eating. 2 we find ourselves in all of the time, and 1 is the hidden phase that's going to be your salvation today. Firstly, we're going to be looking at the bulk phase. This is where we eat more calories than we actually burn. Secondly, we're going to look at the cut. This is where you eat less calories than your actual burning. And lastly, the most important one that very few people find themselves in, which is why they struggle with dieting, is the maintenance phase. Building a maintenance phase takes time. You're talking days, weeks, months, years. This is where our body gets used to the amount of food that we're eating on a day-to-day basis and adapts accordingly, whether that be your strength, whether that be your actual body fat, muscle, everything combined. The quickest and most effective way to drop weight is when you're in a maintenance phase where you're eating the same as you're generally burning and you slowly subtract that number down. That looks like something like, say, if you were supposed to be eating 3,000 calories per day, you drop that down where anywhere between, could actually be as low as between 1 and 600 calories per day, each day, every week, for up to, say, a month or 2. If you look at these 2 pictures here, this was me on week 1, and this is at 86 kilograms. This is me at week 19 at 72 kilograms. So there you are talking a drop, of up to 14 kilos over the course of 4 to 5 months. This is an exaggeration phase because, again, this was a competition prep. There was a solid foundation here of maintenance. To achieve from here to this was slightly cutting back day to day, week to week, and then how your body adapts to that. You either increase your food or increase your activity or do a bit of both. Understanding these phases is crucial because the only way you're ever going to build a sustainable diet is having an awareness of all 3 of these phases and then working out which one you want to utilize, whether you want to put on weight, stay the same, or drop weight. It's as easy as that 1, 2, 3. If you find any of this helpful, please feel free to give the video a like. Consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Also, if you're still struggling with any of the content of this video, feel free to drop me a private message. We can arrange a consultation and we can start building your diet from the bottoms up. Thank you again for listening.